Today, I'm sharing the top 5 drinks that can help with nerve damage. Whether you're dealing with nerve pain or just want to support your nervous system, these natural drinks can be a game changer. Stick around to learn how to give your nerves the care they need. Number 1. Green tea. First up is green tea. This drink is rich in antioxidants like EGCG, which helps reduce inflammation and promotes nerve repair. Green tea also has neuroprotective effects, which can help prevent further nerve damage and support overall nerve health. Number 2. Turmeric milk, golden milk. Next is turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. It helps reduce nerve pain and encourages the regeneration of damaged nerves. Mix turmeric with warm milk and a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin's absorption. Number 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is not just calming for your mind, but also for your nerves. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe irritated nerves and reduce pain. Drinking chamomile tea regularly can help promote relaxation and aid in nerve healing. Number 4. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is packed with nitrates, which improve blood flow and oxygen supply to the nerves. This helps repair damaged nerves and reduces pain caused by poor circulation. Beetroot juice also contains antioxidants that support nerve regeneration and protection. Number 5. Almond milk. Last but not least, we have almond milk. Almonds are rich in vitamin E and magnesium, both essential for nerve health. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting nerves from damage, while magnesium helps relax nerves and reduce pain caused by nerve damage. Drinking almond milk regularly can strengthen your nervous system. So there you have it. 5 amazing drinks that can help support and repair nerve damage. Whether it's green tea, turmeric milk, chamomile tea, beetroot juice, or almond milk, these drinks can make a big difference in your nerve health. Give them a try and let me know how they work for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and remedies.